Chicken fact of the day. Why am I feeding my chickens red pepper flakes? Well, you're about to find out. There's a popular theory that adding red pepper flakes to your chicken's feed will increase their egg laying ability. However, this is unfortunately an urban myth. But there are some great benefits having red pepper flakes in your feed. First off, there are some studies that show that adding red pepper flakes increases the weight of your egg. Secondly, the carotenoids in red pepper flakes, this pigment, will actually change the yolk of your egg to be a little bit more vibrant. This won't hurt birds at all because they can't taste hot or spicy. So, pro tip, you can actually add cayenne pepper to your bird seed in order to keep the squirrels away but not affect the bird. So, maybe consider adding red pepper flakes to your chicken's diet. Just don't overdo it, only about 2% or less.